Welcome to the Wildland Fire Minute. As we approach the 4th of July holiday and celebrate our country's freedom, we also mark the traditional beginning of the wildland fire season in the Pacific Northwest. Some areas in Washington and Oregon are already experiencing high fire danger, so please no fire restrictions before you go to recreate. From this year forward, June 30th through July 6th marks the Wildland Firefighter Week of Remembrance. June 30th marks the anniversary of the Yarnell Hill fire that killed 19 members of the Granite Mountain Hotshot crew. July 6th marks the Storm King Mountain or South Canyon fire that killed 14 firefighters, many of whom were from the Pacific Northwest. This week of remembrance is an opportunity for us to renew our commitment to the safety of wildland firefighters as we remember those who died in the line of duty. We can all do our part to help protect our wildland firefighters by taking steps to ensure that our own homes will survive a wildland fire and by preventing unwanted human-caused fires. Hey, let's all be safe out there, and we'll see you on the next Wildland Fire Minute.